Hi, thank you for visiting our poster. My name is Yiyin. I am an associate research scientist at the Department of Electrical Engineering, and on behalf of my colleagues in the BioNet lab, led by Professor Aurel Lazar, I am happy to go over this poster that describes a software platform we built called FlyBrainLab. Neuroscience has entered the era of connectomics and synaptomics when more and more large-scale data about the anatomical structure of brain become available. For example, we now have a full map of the shapes and the connectivity of the central brain of the fruit fly. This also highlights the lack of computational tools with the same speed and scale that can be effectively deployed to uncover the functional logic of these fly brain circuits. Currently, to build a model of a brain circuit requires visualizing data on one website of software, moving these data between incompatible softwares to manually build simulations. To address this challenge, we built the FlyBrainLab that provides in a single programming environment the capability of visualization and exploration of brain circuits chosen at will, and the creation of circuit diagrams that can be immediately compiled for program execution. The user interface of the FlyBrainLab, called NeuroMinerva, is built as an extension of the popular JupyterLab web-based user interface, by providing a widget underlying the NeuroNLP window, along with the info panel widget that provide the capability of 3D visualization and exploration of FlyBrain data, and another widget underlying the NeuroGFX window for interactive exploration of functional logic of executable circuits by visualizing interactive circuit diagrams that are abstraction of the circuits visualized in NeuroNLP window. Both widgets communicate with and retrieve data from program execution window, hosting a Python kernel, which is accessible using code running in the Jupyter notebook. Interaction between code running in the notebook and code in the widget is fully supported so that it provides a unified view of the entire user interface. Python kernel communicates with two backend servers, one hosting a NeuroArc database that integrates and stores anatomical, genetic, neurophysiological datasets, as well as associated circuit models, and the other server hosting the neurokernel execution engine that supports the execution of fruit fly brain circuits stored in NeuroArc database on GPUs. To accelerate the discovery of functional logic of fruit fly brain circuits, FlyBrainLab offers a workflow and tools for every step involved in automating the construction of executable circuits from FlyBrain data, including a unique natural language interface for building FlyBrain circuits from the dataset using just English, and a set of utility libraries for exploring and analyzing the structure of the FlyBrain circuits once they have been retrieved from the database, and tools to enable interactive circuit diagrams supporting the exploration of functional logic of the circuit models. With these features, the FlyBrainLab simplifies, among others, the process of model comparison, a critical but often neglected step in neuroscience literature when creating new models of brain circuits and evaluating their functional logic. For example, with a common dataset to start with, we can build models of FlyBrain circuit developed by different researchers in one program platform. This enables not only the analysis and exploration of a single model, but also the comparison among models, revealing the differences in the components used from the biological data and the assumption made by the model, which are often obscured in the code provided by authors. And also, after execution of these circuits, we also review the differences in the response of the models when presented with the same input. FlyBrainLab also supports comparing a model developed on one dataset with the same model evaluated on another, potentially newer or with more detailed information, or on a dataset of different development stages, allowing researchers to easily extract away the exact form of the circuit, but focused on the computational principle or the logic of the computation. To sum up, FlyBrainLab tightly integrates 3D visualization and exploration of FlyBrain data, and the creation of executable circuit diagrams, followed by an interactive exploration of the functional logic of executable circuits. To learn more about FlyBrainLab, please visit our website flybrainlab.freeflybrain.org. Thank you.